Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to delete all downloads in YouTube. Why would you want to know how to delete all downloads in YouTube? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to delete all downloads in YouTube. So today I am going to show you how to delete all downloads in YouTube. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Deleting all downloads in YouTube is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write youtube.com in search bar. Here is the interface of YouTube. Now click on logo at the top right corner. Now here at the bottom you are seeing settings. Click on it. Click on downloads. From here you can see delete all downloads. Click on delete all downloads. Again click on delete. All downloads were deleted. There you go. If you wanted to know how to delete all downloads in YouTube, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.